Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today I'm going to show you a very simple, delicious home-style mutton curry, which is a Sunday special at my home. For that I've taken a large onion which I have sliced, and I'm going to fry this till it's nice and golden brown. So I have a trick to brown the onions. I just roast them in a kadai till the color changes, and then I add oil and make them nice and crisp. As you can see, the color is changing. So this process takes a little less time to brown the onions. The onions have browned quite well. Now let's add a tablespoon of oil. The onions have got browned well and they're nice and golden. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of fresh coconut that I've grated. I'm going to add this and I'm going to roast this as well till it becomes nice and brown. The fresh coconut is roasted to a nice brown color. I'm going to add half a cup of dry coconut that I've grated. So this masala that we are making right now, you can make it in a bulk, in a larger quantity, and then you can store it into small containers in your deep freezer and use as and when you want to make different types of traditional Maharashtrian curries. I'm going to add 5 green chilies to this. Going to add 7 to 8 small cloves of garlic and an inch of ginger. And I'm going to fry this for another minute or so. Now let's shut the flame and let the mixture cool down, and once it cools, we'll grind it to a nice fine paste. This has cooled down. Let's add half a cup of water. Our onion coconut paste is ready, and now let's get on with the curry. I'm making the curry in a pressure cooker this time because of lack of time, or I normally make it in a kadai. I'm going to heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. The oil is nice and hot. I'm going to add 1 small onion, finely chopped, and saute this till it's nice and soft and pink. To this I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Fry this till the raw smell goes off. Now let's add a kg of mutton to this and saute this on a high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. I have a medium tomato that I have grated here. I'm going to add this as well. And now fry this for another 3 to 4 minutes. At home, we like our mutton curry really nice and spicy. So I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. You can add spice to your liking. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a heaped teaspoon of garam masala powder, and I'm going to saute this further for a minute or two. As you can see, the oil has separated. Now let's add the ground onion and coconut paste. Mix this well. I'm going to add a liter of water to this. I don't want to waste any of the masala that's even in the grinder. Salt to taste. Give it a good stir. And now let's pressure cook this. I normally cook this by giving it 3 whistles on a high flame, and then I reduce the flame to a medium or a low and cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes. We cook the mutton in a pressure cooker, giving it 3 whistles, and then we put it on a low flame and cooked it for another 15 minutes. The pressure cooker is cooled down. Let's open the lid. And you can see a lovely layer of oil that's come up on the curry. Let's remove this in a serving bowl. This amazing home-style mutton curry can be served with a rice bhakri or chapatis or even rice, a simple steamed rice. So do try this recipe and let me know.